5-ton condenser. I installed this condenser back in 1994, probably June or July. It's a really nice condenser. It has 2 condenser fan motors and it has a scroll in the center. And this house was re-roofed a couple years ago, so we had to peel it back off, put it back on again. I have an anti-fatigue mat underneath the unit, but it's a real nice unit. I'll show you the inside. I don't have the model number on it. It's gone. I have to find it. But it's a real cool unit. With the cover removed, you see the 40 amp single pole contactor. To the right of that is the run capacitor for the Copeland scroll compressor, and the unit also has an additional 2 run capacitors for each condenser fan motor. They run at 825 RPMs and they're 3-bladed. To the left of that you see the time delay, and originally the unit came with a 1-minute time delay to ensure that that compressor stops rotating completely during a power interruption. If that time delay was bypassed or was not there, if there's a brief power interruption, there's a possibility it will run backwards. So in late 94, early 95, they installed the unloading anti-rotational cam, which eliminated that time delay. Then my next video, I'm going to take the top off the sound enclosure and show you the Copeland scroll inside. The Copeland scroll sits inside of a metal enclosure. They actually take the scrap insulation from the furnaces, the package units used to, and they put it inside the metal sound enclosure, and it's really effective on sound. The Copeland scroll's refrigerant cooled, and so it runs perfect, doesn't overheat. And this is the suction line accumulator to help on floodback. And you also have the discharge that comes down off the compressor. Tees goes inside the condenser coils as a vapor, comes back as a liquid down the feeder tubes into the liquid line into the expansion valve. But it's a really quiet unit. I'll show you in the next clip here how quiet the unit really is. It's up and running, nice and quiet. Nice and quiet. Here we hear the compressor. It's a smooth operator. Running at 825. I'm gonna check that out. There you have it, the 1994 Ruud condenser 5-ton. Thanks for watching.